Hi folks, looks like we're going to do a off recovery in a few minutes, and we're planning to go over there to, I guess it's the waterfalls over there in Turkeyville. Something happened with a vehicle over there by the mountains, probably before we get to the waterfalls, but well, we figured out, and that way we can sharing with you this video. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is it's another recovery, off-road recovery that we're going to do. This time we're going to Turkeyville waterfalls. Looks like a van broke down over there, transmission issues, so we're going to see so we can bring it back. And anyway, stay tuned, okay,
and enjoy the ride. This is Turkeyville Falls, my friends. If you haven't visited, come visit. And this is the off-road recovery vehicle. So we're just gonna video a little bit and
yes,
make it exciting. Okay. Where are you from, my friend?
Germany, but I live in Atlanta. So
Oh,
my girlfriend lives in Los Angeles.
Oh, okay.
it's okay if we're recording you, you can talk.
Hey,
it's okay,
no
you know.
problem. No problem.
All right.
You probably never see it. Maybe if
Okay.
maybe if you subscribe to YouTube.
Yes. You can see the video on YouTube.
As you can see, my friends, we are busy at Turkeyville Falls, and everybody's in the way. So okay, my friends, we just arrived. That was the longest ride. No, not really, but it was. The road is really bad because of the rains. So a lot of rocks. This is the vehicle we're supposed to take back. A full-size Chevy Suburban. Oh, it's a 1500. Oh.
Okay, transmission is out.
They said transmission's out. There's no oil, so that's a good thing.
All right. Let's go see.
So maybe that's a good thing.
Okay.
Want to hear something funny?
Yes. Yes. On recording.
Please don't tell us you don't have the keys. Just don't tell us that.
I thought I gave you the keys.
Oh my.
No, he got the keys. I forgot to ask him for the keys.
Que no se acabe la batería.
Hey, hold on. What we need to do, hey, Chevito, what we need to do is we're going to try to turn it around.
Okay.
So we can try to pull it that way. And it's not going to be easy because it's too narrow. But we see how we can do it, okay?
Préndalo a ver qué hacemos.
Can I turn it on? Let me try myself. Hopefully I. Okay.
Okay, so you.
Another funny thing. Wait. You're already recording this?
I'm recording. It's ready to go. Go.
Okay.
We just came up here and hold on. Stop.
Oh no.
Differential.
Okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Not a transmission.
That is not good.
That's not a transmission.
Look at that.
That's not a transmission. you have your differential broken. That's the noise that you making it.
But now it's leaking.
Yeah.
Look it, it's a hole.
What is that right there?
Chepo,
That's a piece of metal.
yeah, recording.
I am.
Yeah, that's a hole. Where come from the hole?
That's a piece of metal. Ooh, that's a piece of metal in the
Yes. Okay,
differential.
Chepo.
We gotta take it out.
Yes.
Oh,
The 4x4, the dry line for the 4x4 is out. There's nothing on it. And looks like the differential is,
no good.
yes, the pin that holds the pinion on place. It's just, that's what you see right there coming out from the,
Where you got that piece of metal? You got it.
I'm pretty sure it was not there before, because you already checked the ground. It was dry before you started.
Yeah.
look it.
Okay, what about front wheel drive?
It's out.
Front wheel drive is out?
It's out. What we're going to do is just Tri-Force, turn it around. Okay, the show is gonna start because we don't know how we're going to turn it on. The differential possibilities is lock out, and there's no 4x4 dry line in the front. So stay tuned.
Okay,
That is not good.
so as you can see, it's going to be worse.
I got no good.
You don't want to see that.
Oh my god. No, it's no good. Mire. Está desconectado la driveline de adentro. No good. No good. Okay. Woo. This is not good. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Let me see. Okay, guys. Looks like we have a very bad problem. Differential is busted. You know, completely free. This side looks okay. 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 All right. Well, guys, this is where the Trans-Ford-mer become very usable. So we're going to transform our tow truck, into a tow truck. Stay tuned.